We look at our starting math problem. We need to find way to connect and. The problem says equals the square root of 1 plus secant and equals the square root of tangent. We choose to use special rule for dy divided by dx. We do this to find how changes when changes. This rule says dy divided by dx is equal to dy divided by dt divided by dx divided by dt. We make plan with 3 steps. We do this so we can solve the problem in order. First we find dx divided by dt, then we find dy divided by dt, and then we divide them. We find the derivative of with respect to. We do this to get the first part of our rule. We take the derivative of 1 plus secant to the power of 1/2. We use the chain rule for this step. We do this because there is function inside another function. The rule says we multiply the power by the inside part and then multiply by the derivative of the inside part. We simplify the expression for dx divided by dt. We do this to make the math easier to read. We get 1/2 times 1 plus secant to the power of negative 1/2 times secant times tangent. We find the derivative of with respect to. We do this to get the second part of our rule. We take the derivative of tangent to the power of 1/2. We remember how to find the derivative of tangent. We do this so we can finish the next step. The rule says the derivative of tangent is secant squared. We simplify the expression for dy divided by dt. We do this to make it ready to divide. We get 1/2 times tangent to the power of negative 1/2 times secant squared. We put both parts together to find dy divided by dx. We do this to follow our plan from step 3. We put the expression for dy divided by dt on top and the expression for dx divided by dt on the bottom. We cancel out common terms in the fraction. We do this to make the math smaller and simpler. We remove 1/2 from the top and the bottom because dividing number by itself equals 1. We use algebra rules to simplify the parts. We do this to clean up the expression. We know secant squared divided by secant is secant and tangent to the power of negative 1/2 divided by tangent is tangent to the power of negative 3/2. We group all the remaining terms together. We do this to reach our final form. We have secant on top and 1 plus secant to the power of negative 1/2 times tangent to the power of 3/2 on the bottom. We write the final answer for dy divided by dx. We do this to finish the problem. The answer is secant times the square root of 1 plus secant divided by tangent to the power of 3/2.